During this age of AI, you might have wondered, how do AIs actually update themselves? Do they download the data side by side manually? Is there some person behind this who is actually downloading the data? If you thought that, you were totally wrong. So, Python script can download the data from the internet. And today we are going to do that from the request library. And how to do that? Let's hop on the screen and see what can we do to download the data from the internet by just running one file instead of going again and again to a site and downloading the data if it is dynamic. For example, if you have a site that updates its data every 24 hours, you wouldn't want to go and download the same file again and again. You might just want to run a script. So we are going to do that here. First of all, I'll make a file. Let's name this file testing.ipynb. So the ipynb is the extension for Jupyter Notebooks. And we are going to use the requests library. First of all, we have to import the library. Now, let's run and check if the library is actually imported. Okay, it runs. We can see the green tick here. Now, we need to have a link to the file that we are actually going to download. Okay, so first thing first, I would go to the Chrome browser and go to GitHub. Okay, I have a GitHub repository made. I'll add a file here. I'll go to add file, upload file, choose your files, and I'll just upload the file. After that, I'll click on commit changes. Now, I have to go to the file and then click on raw. If you do not click on raw, you will download the entire page instead of the file. So be sure to click on raw. After that, copy this. Okay, now I'll make a new variable named URL. In the URL, we will paste the URL that we copied from here. Okay, now let's make a response variable. Now, what the response variable will do is it will actually go to the site and get the data that we want. We will call request library. Request library has a get function, not a get function, get method to be exact. In the get, we'll paste the URL. Let's print the content of the variable. Okay, we can see that the data is present here, and we can see there is a type and spendings present. Yeah, we have type and spending present. If I go to the previous site, yeah, we can see type and spending present here. Okay, if I go to my folder, we can see that there is no file made here. Now we have to make a file. Let's make a variable file name, and we will make it this name. Okay. Now I'll just comment it out. After that, I'll make a new file. by writing with. After that, open, we will write file name and write bytes. WB stands for write bytes. Uh, Basically, what this will do is it will convert into bytes all the data that is being present here. After that, write it into the file. Uh, this as is basically the nickname that we are going to write into. I can also write it as file. So what I'll do here is file dot write. After that, response dot content. I'll do that, and we can see that a monthly spending CSV file is made. This way, you can actually download a CSV file from GitHub. You can also download zip files too. You can download many other kinds of files. There might be some limitation. If there is any limitation, I'll upload a separate video on that topic. And with the other video, you can actually download large file. I think large files are a bit problematic in this, but most of the files should be fine. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.